everyone, I'm Maddie at Pure Movement, and I'm going to run you through a quick arms and abs workout on the mat. So lay on your back, hands go behind the head, the base of the skull, and we're going to start with the right leg and tabletop. Now, hands are behind the head, but elbows, let's bring them in until we can see them. So they're not squeezing into our head, they're not all the way open, it's about halfway. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale, curl up, look at the thigh, and then lower back down. So it's all from the rib cage. Breathing in, exhale, curling back up, ribs down to the hips, and a couple more like this. Last two. You can hear the cracks in the floor, not the cracks in my spine. One more, and then lowering back down. Set the right foot down, left to tabletop. Breathe in, exhale, curl up for 5, and roll it back down. And here's 4. Lower back down. 3. What do you notice on this side that feels different? Is it harder to keep the hips down? Last 2. And then one more time into that chest lift, and then lowering back down. Rest that left foot. Here we go with both. Right leg tabletop, left leg tabletop. Breathe in, exhale, curl up. Looking at the thighs, lowering back down. Inhale, exhale, curl. Inhale, lower, exhale, curl. And last 2, I'm already feeling it. And one more time. And then lower back down, rest the feet, rest the hands, and then let's just take a second. We're gonna come on our side. We're gonna go into a little side plank. So we're going to go into side plank. Options are you could go knees bent, right? That would make it a little bit easier. If you want a challenge, go straight legs, and you can either stack the feet or stagger them, okay? I'm going to go stack for me. Right elbow underneath the right shoulder, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to push down into the elbow, I'm going to lift the hips, and I'm going to lower. So I would say it's more of a side lift than a side plank, kind of a combination of both. And I'm pulling the abs in, I'm keeping them pulled in as I lift and use those obliques and lower. Last 3, keeping yourself nice and long. 2, and one more. And all the way back down. Let's go to the other side. Yes, when I said quick, I meant quick, right? We're moving right along. Left elbow down under the shoulder, push down into it to get that little lift from the shoulder so we're not hanging into it like we're watching TV. And then legs the same way on this side. You're going to lift the hips and lower. And you can see I'm using that top hand to help me a little bit as long as I don't rotate too much forward. You could always stack a yoga block and have some more support there as well. Okay, last 4 and 3 and 2. And one more time. All the way back down. We're going to come onto our hands and onto our knees. And we're going to come into a slight hover. So the toes are down. We're going to lift the knees and lower. Breathe in. Exhale, lift the knees and lower. So not everything is always about chest lifting and curling and rolling down, right? There's ways to get this core stability and core work in more of a neutral position. So everything, all of those, everything's good, right? Rolling down, spine mobility, core mobility, and core stability. They're all great for us. It's good to have a variety. Last time, and then lowering back down. And then we're going to take those feet, let them relax. We're going to reach the right arm forward as the left leg reaches back, and then you set it down. And switch. And switching again. Trying not to shift too much from the pelvis, keeping the core nice and stable. Good. One more each side. And the right. And the left. And then set it down. We'll finish seated with the feet flat, knees bent. Arms reaching forward. Okay? So start to roll back behind the sit bones, letting the pelvis turn, letting yourself roll down. Take the arms overhead. Big breath in, take a stretch here, it feels good. Exhale, curl up from the abdominals. The shoulders are only coming along because they have to. Breathe in, exhale, press down to those feet. Roll back behind the sit bones. Stretch that upper back. Exhale, curling up from the rib cage. And breathe in. Exhale, rolling it back down. Exhale, curling it back up. And then all the way to the top. Take a stretch forward. And that's it.